In that video, I am going to break down the short video that you see in the beginning. There was some request for this breakdown, so I'm just going to break this down in some minutes. Okay, so in that video, we will be in the key of G major. Okay, the key of G major. Let's play the G major scale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. For the number system, we have G, which is the 1. We have A, which is the 2. We have B, which is the 3. C is the 4. D is the 5. E is the 6. F sharp is the 7. And then we'll have the 8, which is G. Or back to the 1. Okay? So let's go through the movements that you saw in the video. The first one is made like this. You see that? Okay? It starts on a simple 1 chord in the key of G major. Okay, so this is a G major chord. We could even say a drop 2 chord. Okay, this is a G major in the second inversion. We're just going to drop the second highest. 1, 2. This is the second highest note. We just drop this down an octave. Okay, and then we play this with 2 hands, with both hands. You see that? Okay, and then after that, we're just going to play the 3 basic form of G major chord. Like, you see that? Okay, but for these 3 G major chord forms, we'll play them without the mid note. Okay, the first form is the wood position. Okay, the second form is the first inversion. Okay, and then the third form is the second inversion. You see that? Wood position, first inversion, second inversion. What we're just going to do is that we're just going to take away the mid note. Okay, so the mid note there, this is B, we just take it away. There, the mid note is D, we take it away. There, the mid note is G, we just take this away. You see that? So we take this away, we take this away, we take this away. Okay, it becomes like this. You see? Wood position, first inversion, second inversion. Okay? You can try to see my fingers. You have to use exactly the same fingers with me. Okay? You see that? And then after that, there, this is an add 11 chord. Okay? There, this is a D add 11. We're just going to drop these 2 notes. We will drop G and G flat. We just drop these 2 notes down an octave. Okay, it becomes like this. So we just take G and G flat and get them down. Okay, and then we keep these 2 notes. There, this is a voicing for a D add 11 chord. Okay, so you see that? Okay, let's continue. And then 7, 1. This is for the melody. 7, 1. Then there, this is a drop 2 chord. A drop 2 chord. Okay, this is the C add 9 drop 2 chord. We're just going to drop this E down an octave. Okay, and then if we want, we can just add the G there. Okay, which is not going to bother us. Yeah, so see that? And then 4. So this is a drop 2 chord under 4. 4, 3. This is a drop 2 chord under 3. Okay, this is a 1 chord. We just drop the second highest note down. 1, 2. This is the second highest note. We just drop this down. And then the 1 again. Okay, this is the 1, and then we play this chord on the 7. Okay, this is a 5 chord. We just play as a drop 2 chord, just drop the second highest note down, okay, and then it becomes like a 7, and then work that melody, okay, which brings us to the 6. You see that? Whoa, this is so nice. And then if you want, you can like play these kinds of movements. You see? I don't know if it is a grace note or a slur. I don't know. And then, you see that? And then there, if you want, you can just play a run on the 4 as a sus2 chord, or the 1 as a sus4 chord. Okay? G sus4. You see that? Okay, so this is for the first part, and then the second part is yeah. So let's move on. On the second part, it starts on the 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4. This is exactly the same. You see, this is the same move that we play on the 4. So what is that? This is a simple 4 chord. Okay, a C chord. This is in drop 2. What we're going to do now, we're going to play the 3 basics form of C major, the wood position, first inversion, second inversion, but without the mid note. I'm just going to take away the mid notes. You see, so you see that? Okay, this is the first chord, and then this one, this one, this one, with the sustain pedal. You see that? Okay, and then after that, we're just going to play a 1 chord as an add 11 chord. Okay, this is a G add 11 chord. I'm just going to take these 2 notes and drop them down in octave. It becomes like this: B, C, G, D. Okay? Let me play it slowly. You see that this is still on the 4. And then we go on the 6. This is a 4 drop 2 chord, but it is played on the 6. Okay? 6, 7. You see that? 6, 7. Or if you're not good with this fingering, you can still play it like this. Okay? Yeah. You see that? And then you will go on the 5. You see that? And then right there, you're just going to play a chord progression. Like 4, 3, 2, 1, flat 7. Okay, this is a 4 chord. 4, 3. This is a 3, 2. That is a minor 7 chord voicing. We will go on the 1. Okay, where we are on 1, and then flat 7. You see that? Simple. And then on this chord, we're just going to play a run. Okay, a run. There we are on the flat 7, which is a F. Okay, F. We will play a F pentatonic scale. F major pentatonic. Okay, F major pentatonic is F, G, A, C, D. Okay, this is the formula of major pentatonic. The 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Okay, starting in F, starting from F. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. So what we're going to do, we're just going to take these two notes and put them before, okay? Put them there. C and D, we're just going to play them with our left hand, okay? See that? In my left hand, I use these two fingers, and then in my right hand, I use these three fingers. You see that? And then we're just going to repeat this octave by octave. And then if we want, we can stop it there on the second note of F major pentatonic. You see that? Okay, so you see that? Easy. See that? And then we come on our one chord. And then we are going to run a G pentatonic scale starting on the 5th degree and the 5th degree of the scale, of G major scale. Okay, so this is a G pentatonic. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6 of the G major scale. So there we will start on the 5 with our left hand. You see that? So see that? Now what we're going to do, so let me try to play this so slowly so you can see everything, and then we're just going to try to use this in a song, okay, like this, these kinds of moves. Yeah, so okay, so now what we're going to take from this, we're just going to take this move, okay, and then this move. No. Okay, so let's choose a song, for example. Okay, Jesus, Lamb of God, worthy is your name. So, Jesus, Lamb of God, worthy is your name. Jesus, Lamb of God. So do you see that? So this is so beautiful. Jesus. You see that? Jesus, Lamb of God, worthy is your name. You see that? This is so nice, guys. So let me start over. Jesus, Lamb of God, worthy is your name. Jesus, Lamb of God, worthy is your name. You see that? So this is so nice. And then in the hand, I did a move like this. You see that? This is so easy. So we just start on the 4, and then pam pam pam. You see that? 4, 3, 2. This is a drop 2 chord on the 7, Okay, and then to the 6. See that? No, excuse me. So this is so dope. So I hope that these ideas are going to help you a lot. Okay, and then don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to leave me a comment as well. And then we'll see you in the next video.